Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Mate 20 Pro, which will launch on 16th of October. The Mate 20 Pro will feature a large 6.39-inch OLED display with a notch on the top and a little chin on the bottom, with a resolution of 3120 by 1440p. Just like the P20 Pro launched earlier this year, Mate 20 Pro will also feature triple camera setup, but this time in square shaped with Leica branding. And according to some leaks, the Mate 20 Pro will feature an in-screen fingerprint scanner because there is no fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone in any of the leaked images. On the back there are three cameras, one with 40 megapixels, second with 20 megapixels and third with 8 megapixel sensors. There is a notch on the front upon which exists a 24 megapixel shooter and an IR sensor for face detection. And it will also feature wireless charging. And some leaks suggest that it will work as a wireless charging stand itself. The Mate 20 will either come with 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128, 256 or 512 gigs of internal storage. The phone will be powered by Kirin 980 processor, which is Huawei's latest and the greatest 7nm octa-core chipset. And in some leaks we can see the Mate 20 Pro's curved display. The battery size of the Mate 20 Pro will be 4300 mAh and it will be IP68 water and dust resistant. The OS that it will run on will be Android Pie 9.0 out of the box and EMUI 9.0. But everything I said in this video will be confirmed on October 16, 2018. And I will also cover the live event of the Mate 20 Pro. So stay tuned for that video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified about that video and my other future videos. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos.